Hey guys, this is Sam here at Chibuzor. Just wanted to record a video showing you how to easily host your own N8n service. So this thing is called Coolify, and if you wanted to self-host your own N8n service, or again many other services, if you can see I have these things are custom apps I made. These ones are open source things that exist already. So if you wanted to, even this like Whisper API is a custom, it's a mix of custom and but it's self-hosted. I created this thing using ChatGPT's help, and I'm hosting it here, and all of my services are calling this to translate audio to text, like super simple stuff. Now onto the video. Okay, if you wanted to host your own N8n after installing Coolify, so the first thing you do is go to Google, maybe search up Coolify and VPS, which is virtual private server. Sorry, go to YouTube. Sorry, search for install Coolify on a virtual private server. I use something called Hertz now, which is super simple to set up. Once you have Coolify though, let me show you. I'm going to create a brand new N8n instance. I'll show you how easy it is to do. You click add. You put in N8n. For me it's V2 because I actually do need an N8n instance for something else. I'm partnering with somebody. They want to run some automations. I want to give them access. It automatically creates a production instance for you. You click on that. Now you say add new resource. Okay. So here, this is where I'm going to just put N8n. And there are two versions of it on Coolify. One is by self N8n. One is with a Postgres backend database. For this specific thing, we are only using it for one thing. So I'm just going to do N8n by itself, and you are done. You're done. So all you need to do probably is change the service name if you care. If not, you can use this stuff. So once you click deploy here, this thing becomes the URL that you use to access your N8n instance. That's it. So click deploy. You watch it go. Pulls the image. The image already exists in my specific case because I have my own N8n already. So now all it's doing is extracting that Docker image, and yeah, just wait for it to be done, and it will start your service, and you will have N8n running. Like this thing, everybody should be self-hosting. Why pay any amount of money for this when you can host multiple sites? So like I mentioned, guys, I was able to run not only N8n but many other apps, and I'm still paying less than the amount you need to sell to pay N8n cloud, which might be like what, $10, $12 per month. Like I'm paying about, I was paying $9. I moved up to $12 because I needed more servers because I'm doing a lot of stuff. So okay, so yeah, I just wanted to make sure it's done. So container started. So click X, just click links here. Click the first one. Okay, so there's some stuff. You know, I I can set this thing to false just to make sure it works. HTTP is not allowed because you need to have it secured. So I don't want to get into more technical stuff, but if you have something called Cloudflare, you can edit this thing here and add another URL. So you add another URL which would be HTTPS, and then that HTTPS will actually let you access your N8n instance without running into this error. So I'm just going to pause there, stop the video. If you need help, ping me, we can go through it. Have a good day.